Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on HP Chromebook 14A. In order to scan QR codes, you can do it in two different methods depending on whether the QR code you have is you have it physically or it's being displayed on your screen. Let's first talk about the first method if you have something in person. So all you need to do is open the camera app. Then in the camera app, you can find the scan option. Click on that, then select QR code. Now position your QR code in front of the camera. You can see that we have the link right now. Let's click on that link and it opens the website from the QR code. Now I'm gonna quickly just generate a QR code. Don't mind that, it's like whatever QR code I can think of. And now I'm gonna screenshot it. To screenshot it, click on the screenshot button on your keyboard. Now once it's done, just select this tool for selecting a rectangle. Now select the QR code. Click on capture and now it's copied to the clipboard. So I can simply now go to the QRscanner.net. This is the website QRscanner.net. Go into that and click on Ctrl and V on your keyboard. It automatically pastes the screenshot and you can simply click on the link from the QR code. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.